So a lot of people have been asking how to add lock sounds on your Tesla. So I'm gonna try to make the most informative, instructional video that I can. I have a 2024 Tesla Model 3, and I'm gonna show you what to do. So first off, we need to get into the glove box. So we're gonna click this, open glove box. All right, cool. And if you look back there, you can see there's a USB that I purchased. The original one is this one. This is the original one, but I don't like this one because it's really small and not like, I mean, it is small, but like actual how much it can hold in it for video. So I purchased another one, which I will share the link with right now. All right, back to the video. Yeah, so we're gonna wanna take this one out and we're gonna wanna take that one out. So you literally just pull it and it comes out. And as you can see, there's a hole back there. So now we're done with the car for now. So we'll come back. Let's go to the computer. All right, now we're back to the computer. I'm gonna use my Mac, but it's the same thing for a PC. So I have the USB stick here. I'm going to go ahead and add it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. All right, so we're gonna wait. There it is, Tesla Drive. I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see, I have the lock chime here, but you will not have this when you first start. So then we're gonna go to the internet and we're gonna go to tesladeck.com. This is how it'll look. And then we're gonna go down where it says Tesla lock sounds. Click on it. And then you scroll down and you can either choose like video game lock, TV and movie, general lock sounds, music lock sounds. I'm gonna put TV and movie. And there's a bunch of ones that you can choose from. You can just click on to listen.
Can't touch me.
So these are all lock sounds. So this is the one I have. Just don't copy me, all right? So then you're gonna go either to here and click download, or you can just right click and save audio as. We're going to save it as the correct one for the Tesla, which is, let's go back and check, lock chime, and make sure it's .wave. So we'll go back and then we're gonna save it as lock chime. Save. So now it's saved as lockchime.wave, which is perfect. That's how Tesla can recognize it. And then all I'm gonna do is open this, just drag it into the folder, and it will show up in that folder like that. Perfect. Make sure it says exactly that. There's nothing else there. You just have your cam footage. All right, cool. So now we're gonna eject it and we'll go back to the car. All right, we're back in the car. One thing I didn't mention is make sure that when you get your USB that you're able to format it to Tesla. If you buy the same one that I got, you're fine. You're able to do it, you have no problems, and I'll show you how to do it. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it in there. I'm not gonna do it because I already did this, but you'll put it in there and then you'll come here. You'll click on the little car. You'll go to safety. And then you'll come down here and these will be lit and you'll click on format USB drive. It'll take about maybe 10 seconds and then it'll say successfully formatted. Perfect, now you're good. I'm gonna put it in now because I already did that. All right, so I got it in, we're good. We're formatted. Let's go actually add it now. So now we're gonna go to the three dots. We're going to go to Toy Box. And then we're gonna click on Boombox. It's already there, but we're gonna click on Boombox. And then where it says lock sound, we're gonna turn that on. And I don't know if it triggers to USB automatically, but we're gonna click here, change it to USB. And that's literally it. You're done. So now let's try it.
Your Tesla is locked, sir. Sentry mode activated.
And there you go.